Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Welcome to Hybrid Auto Solution. Another Camry engine shaking misfire. We mentioned this before as well. I think this customer has been to Toyota twice, and what they done, they replaced the top injector and didn't bother cleaning any of the rest. Couple of months, it comes back again. It's not just a fuel issue. I think it's a design issue, and if you do want to change injectors, by all means you can change it, but don't neglect the bottom ones. You got to take them out, clean all 8 of them, because if you put 1 or 2 new injectors and the 6 are still old and dirty, you're not going to get the best out of it. So in my opinion, especially on these GDIs, it's one of these things, you got to keep cleaning them, once in a while. It's a design issue. There's nothing you can do. Even if you put a brand new one in there, they will go bad again. So that's what my opinion is. If you think any different, let me know in the comments. And make sure you use a good fuel all the time. Once a while, put it on a power mode, put your foot down. Don't just drag them and let the EGR open all the time and clog the system. And again, it's very important. If you change 1 or 2 injectors and the rest are still dirty, it's not going to help you. You got to balance all of them, the top ones and the bottom one. Again, if you think anything different, let me know in the comments, and hopefully we'll get this one going.